Euro dollar daily time frame. Right now price is testing this support zone. So on Friday it tested upper support. If it break, then next will be lower support level. But this entire area is your support zone, and do not sell trade with bullish bias. And if this level also break, then next resistance will be 3488. At current support level, you have this trend line tested 3 times. This is fourth attempt, and you can see we also have RSI divergence. So in upcoming weeks, 7726 level is your strong support zone. So in past video I was telling about retest of this trend line when price was trading on this top. Now it is happening. So on H1 intraday time frame you can buy euro dollar, but next target will be breakout of 1186 resistance level, and we will target up to 1495. So all the technical, RSI divergence, trend line and horizontal support, they all are against seller. So this entire support area is your buy zone, and next is your sell zone. You can expect similar price action on GBPUSD. It came down after testing strong horizontal resistance level, and it break out below nearest support. But next big support will be 24,277. This is your first big support. Then next 23,109. So this entire area is your support zone. And if you see on this previous support, price is making head and shoulder chart pattern. So neckline has breakout. So if this 23,109 level retest, then you can buy, or after retest of this neckline you can sell again. But same like euro dollar, for long entry, wait for clear breakout of 26,476 level. Then New Zealand dollar, US dollar, 61% retracement done and overbought RSI, and it is also near this trend line. So if trend line retest again, then it will be fourth attempt, and if that happen, then you can buy. USDCAD daily time frame. Now price is testing horizontal resistance 36,510. So you have strong horizontal resistance testing third time and overbought RSI. So we were bullish on this pair from this level. Your WXY wave count completed, retracement done, and now retest of resistance. If you think dollar will go more up, then you can buy retest, but wait for breakout. Because if this resistance does not break in upcoming week, then it can also make inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. Then USD CHF, now it is testing strong resistance level. If it break out, then next will be 9850. That's mean your possibility of inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. So if this breakout, then buy retest and targeting this upper resistance. USD JPY, your wave counting and price is still trading on 145 key horizontal resistance level. It is sideways, neither up nor down, and this pair is waiting for Fed and BOJ next direction for dollar and Japanese yen. So this pair have only two direction, either it go to 151 or go back to 128. GBPUSD price is still trading inside this parallel channel, and right now we are in wave C. So if price breakout below 183,760, your horizontal support, then you can say reversal has started. So wait for this thing. If this support level breakout, then you can sell on retest first support high of wave A. And if you see RSI, then both trend line are going in opposite direction. That's mean RSI divergence trade. Maybe we can see ending diagonal chart pattern here. CAD JPY, this pair is making sideways correction. So wait for correction to end, then you will see breakout below 104. Because last week after Fed speech, market is again expecting more hike. So they are seeing hike in September and November both, and first cut in June next year. So until Fed rate hike drama does not end, Bank of Japan will only wait and watch. Then silver daily time frame. Price almost tested this trend line, but it made double bottom on 61% retracement of this last wave. And I recommended you to buy silver in last video, because gold and silver both have different price action. So after this strong support, this trend line can be your next dynamic resistance. So you have trend line, your dynamic resistance, and this old resistance zone as your static resistance, both at same place. So wait for clear breakout, then on retest you can buy. After retest we will target $30, but now wait for breakout. And there is also a triangular chart pattern correction. If it goes down again, retest this trend line, then buy. So for next trade, wait for breakout of this trend line or retest of this lower trend line. Then Bitcoin daily time frame, it came down vertically. RSI is still oversold, and top to bottom 50% retracement is your next big support. So this entire fifth area is your support zone from 21 to 23k. And now bank are saying there is a limited downside in Bitcoin. In past I explained a new rule where Bitcoin and gold goes in opposite direction. Same like this, Bitcoin went down vertically and gold went up. So if gold goes up, then Bitcoin will go down more. And after BRICS meeting, if you buy Bitcoin as a alternate for gold, then don't do this mistake. Buy gold. But if you are fan of crypto, then you can buy. Then oil daily time frame, your same old support and resistance, and this is your correction. If you see H4 time frame, then this can be your triangle chart pattern correction. And if it is triangle chart pattern, then first it will break out 84, then 93. But to buy oil, wait for clear breakout of this upper trend line. Then you can buy retracement. Because if it is going up, then you have two entry. First retracement before 84, then retest after breakout. Because price is still making a triangle correction, breakout is not complete. Or if it goes down 74, then you can buy retest. But after BRICS meeting, now you can say BRICS control oil, not USA. Now SP 500 daily time frame, this is your key support zone. And you can say above this support zone is your soft landing, and below this support zone there is a hard landing. So right now price is sideways. Price action look like head and shoulder chart pattern. And this week you have big news. So on Friday you can see big action. NASDAQ, same, maybe your head and shoulder chart pattern, but for next sale entry, wait for breakout of this trend line. Then after breakout, you can sell up to 13,720. That is your next big support level. Dow Jones Industrial Average, now it is testing this trend line. So if it goes more down below this trend line, then you can sell retracement. But it all depends on SP 500 if that support zone breakout or not. Now your dollar index daily time frame. On this low, RSI was oversold. Now it is overbought again. And this area has been tested 3 times by RSI, each time dollar turn. And right now it is testing this big resistance zone 104, then your next resistance 105.43. So this entire area is your resistance zone. In this area, do not buy dollar. So this was first retest by candlestick, instant rejection, and more it go down, then more possibility of dollar going down. So same like Euro USD, that is testing support zone. Dollar index is testing resistance zone.